Check out this excerpt from one of our advanced parenting workshops.
He's very athletic and loves baseball. We got him on a team, but last month he screamed at the other boys for teasing him. I don't think they did. It was just normal baseball talk. At the time, I told him if he feels frustrated, he should take a deep breath and count to 10.
He gets upset so easily. It's like he's looking for insults. Recently, after he missed a pitched ball and his teammates cheered him on, they yelled, "Come on, Walker, you can do it." But he took it as an insult, threw his bat down, and ran towards one of the boys. Luckily, the coach stopped him and put him on probation.
I admit, I am concerned about Trinity. Like her school counselor told me, she lacks confidence and has jealous fits. That girl, she likes to get the others in trouble.
This workshop on social and physical aggression is designed to help resource parents develop effective strategies for addressing their child's aggressive behavior. Led by our expert, and using 2 family studies, we will explore how parents can address this behavior, including building empathy and using social information processing. Find out more or enroll today at fosterparentcollege.com.